do disk cleanup categories represent? Let's see them one by one. We have Windows Update Cleanup, which consists of old update files no longer needed. We have Microsoft Defender Antivirus, which consists of temporary and leftover files, which are actually safe to remove. And we have downloaded program files. These are ActiveX controls in Java applets from Internet Explorer, which are mostly obsolete. We can view the files to confirm. In this case, it's empty. We have temporary internet files, which are cached web pages stored for faster browsing, and they are safe to delete. We have Windows error reports and feedback dump files. These are logs created after crash, useful for debugging, but safe to delete if you don't need them. DirectX shader cache. These are graphics cache files, and deleting forces Windows to rebuild them. And we have delivery optimization files. These are cached update files used for peer-to-peer sharing. Here we have device driver packages. These are old drivers stored in the system, which can safely be removed. In language resource files, these are extra language packs you don't use. And here is the previous Windows installations. This consists of folders from an older version of Windows kept when system is upgraded, allowing rollback to the previous version. Here we have recycle bin. It represents files you deleted but haven't permanently removed. We can view the contents by clicking here. We have got the chance to restore those we want to keep. And here we have temporary files, general temporary data created by apps. And finally, we have thumbnails. These are preview images for files. Windows can regenerate them. The bottom line is disk cleanup is safe, but always review the categories before deleting. The Cleanup System Files button unlocks deeper cleanup, including old Windows installation, even if you started it as a default user. Be cautious.